What smile lines? Them no dede. Them no exist. Wow, like I really look good. Like it's one thing for it to look good on camera, right? It's another thing for you to look good in real life. And I'm telling you, real life, okay? I'd smash. I'm smashable right now, okay? Yeah.
Ami, Donnakay.
All right, so I'm gonna be using a new foundation today, and it was recommended by Makeupshayla. Well, she never really said shit. I'm not gonna really say she recommended it, but she uses it a lot. And you know, Shayla's makeup BB. So she raves about the Maybelline Superstay. She raves about the Maybelline Superstay foundation, the stick foundation. So I wasn't sure which was my color, so I got two. I got colors 330 Caramel Toffee and 312 Golden. So I'm gonna swatch it, and I'm gonna swatch it on my face just so you know, you can see. All right, so first one I'm gonna swatch is Golden. Okay. The first thing I noticed is that it went on really creamy, which is good, I think. And then the next one I'm gonna swatch is Toffee, 330 Toffee. Okay. Toffee, Golden. Golden, Toffee, Golden, Toffee. So I think I would be a mixture of both. So I am going to, y'all know I usually color correct, but to give this foundation an adequate try, I'm going to not color correct. Also, I wanted to mention that there's a sponge at the end, but bad man not use that. So I'm going to mix both of these on my face, and I think the both of them will give me the right color. I'm gonna use my Real Techniques buffing brush. For some reason, I feel like it's just sitting on my face. Let me try switching to the Beauty Blender and see if that helps.
CG the Hitmaker.
So, what I suspected would happen did happen. This foundation, it blends easily. I think it's nice, but it is not full coverage. And it's more of a medium coverage, and I can still see my imperfections through it. So what I really want to do is take this off, color correct, and then try it again, because in my real life, I do color correct all the time. And this ain't it, Chief. This ain't it. I'm gonna leave what's on my forehead and what's on my neck alone, but what's right here, where I mainly need to color correct, I'm going to color correct and then try it again. I love you, Grandma.
Yeah, I know.
All right, later. All right, so I have blended in this foundation. As I said before, I took it off, I color corrected, I blended in with the brush, and because I'm a full coverage girl and because I have imperfections on my skin, this foundation by itself will not do. In addition to that, I kind of think this oxidizes. It was a lot lighter when I initially put it on, and now it has warmed up. So I like that, but that is something to be aware of, that whatever color it is when you initially swatch it is not the color it's going to be once it dries down. It looks very good. I can tell that I need to set it because I'm an oily girl. And two, it has a sheen skin-like finish. But I'm going to continue with the rest of my face. And alright, so I'm all done. I've applied the rest of my face makeup, and everything blends together well. So it is a foundation that doesn't lower the performance of the other products that I've used. And the products that I use are products that I always use, so I know that they're good products. Two, it looks great. It looks great. I see why Shayla loves it so much, and that's my girl. I'm a Leo, she's a Virgo, so you already know. I can't say, you know, how long it lasts. I can't say any of that as of yet, but just this is my first impressions, and I like it. I like it. I think my face look done. I think I look very glam. I mean, it's a face I would wear out in public. So, tell me what you think. Do you like it? Because, my face look good, my face look done up. Maybelline did that. I don't even want to take my makeup off.